What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have something really cool planned. I'm taking the 252 stroke out to the hills. I also brought the 450L for my buddy Will to ride. But before we get too far into this video, I wanted to bring up two things. One, if you don't subscribe already, go ahead and do that now. Give the video a thumbs up, that helps me out a lot. And two, the merch has been doing awesome, so I'm really excited to announce that in the next week or two, I'm gonna be dropping another couple designs, new hoodie, new t-shirt, as well as a couple other accessories for you guys. And I want you guys to know everything that you spend on the merch goes directly back into the channel. So after the last drop, I already kind of planned on buying my next build, and pretty excited about it. It's kind of out of left field, but I think you guys will appreciate it and be able to relate to it. So I'm pretty stoked on that, and it's pretty exciting. So hopefully it'll all line up. When I drop the new merch, then I can also announce the new build. So hopefully that all lines up. It should. I don't see why it wouldn't, but for now, we're taking the 252 stroke out to the hills. I keep teasing it on my Instagram that I got Electron for this thing, which is on the way. It hasn't arrived yet, but I wanted to take this thing out in its state, what it is right now, meaning like the graphics that are on it with the original carburetor that I built it with, and as well as kind of the other parts that I built it with, because I really don't remember. It's been since October that I rode this thing, so I wanted to get a baseline for my sake and so you guys could see what was going on. And I mean, I have a different fuel mixture that I'm using right now that the guys at Electron suggested, so hopefully it'll run a little better than it originally did, because I do want to, you know, throw some whips and have some fun on this thing today. But I'm really excited to test out that Electron. I know you guys were ranting and raving about it, but unfortunately I just didn't have the testing time leading up to Straight Rhythm to try it out. I was just kind of given what I was given, and you know, the information that I was given was saying that my setup was going to be the best that it could be, and unfortunately we just had a small hiccup. But with a carburetor, a small hiccup ends up being a big one, especially in Supercross. So thank you guys for your feedback. Everybody that told me to try the Electron, I'm really happy that you gave me that suggestion, because now we have one on the way. We'll be able to test it and give you guys some feedback. But I'm gonna go pick up Will right now, and then we're gonna head out to the hills. So brought my GoPros. We'll get some GoPro footage of riding the 252 stroke, as well as have the iPhone and this Canon that I'm holding in my hand right now. We'll pass that over to Will and have some fun today. How many starts? Kicks? 3. I say 1. A little flat. This middle kind of looks like the hardest spot.
Yeah.
I'm kind of like
these river shit to like some like sandstone shit.
Yeah.
You want me to shave this flat or just right here and make it like one line?
Yeah, I was just trying to cut this out so it kind of like keeps up on that lip. This was like as steep as the top of the lip was, and maybe like 20 feet longer, it'd be a pretty sick jump. That last one was sketchy, I almost crashed. On to the next one. Style lines, bro.
What are you guys thinking now?
You could honestly probably coast into it.
And also, aren't your marks, they don't land on that side? Like,
yeah, that's fucking... It's not big, it's just like you can't see... It almost hips right a little bit too.
hey, this is the step down that Connor was hitting.
Yeah.
This is a sick shot though, if you are into it.
Yeah, I'm into it. I kind of want to do it coasting. Easy, super easy. Oh my god, dude! Boner!
Was that on purpose or no?
Yeah, but the clutch like didn't like work.
Did you just shift up to turn it on?
Yeah.
Gnarly.
In air.
Yeah. Not another bump start video, take 69. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys are liking the riding content as much as I'm like making it, because we got some more rain headed to the Southern California area this week and I can't wait to get back out. I think I'm going to take the 2-stroke out again. I keep telling you guys that I'm going to be redoing the 2-stroke, so I got the Electron on the way, like I mentioned earlier in this video, as well as some new graphics and a couple other little things. And then also, I'm hoping this week I'll be announcing my next build. If everything lines up, I'm hoping that that'll fall in line with dropping my new merch line too. So stay tuned. If you don't already subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and thank you guys for tagging along again. And we'll be uploading a lot more frequently now. So thank you guys. We'll see you soon.
Aside from my soul.